Today I'm taking a look at the Launch CRP123I. So it does come with a bag. We got a quick start guide and we got our manual. And there is the scanner. So we got nothing on the left, nothing on the bottom, nothing on the right. On the top we got our power port, we got our power button, and we got a port for our OBD2 cable. Here is our OBD2 cable. And it's nice that it actually comes with a cap. Most of these things do not. And last up we got our charging cable. This is USB-A to a barrel connector. So we'll start out with charging. Oh, nice. So that actually comes with a 99% charge. And we can see we got an indicator light on here letting us know that it is charging. And this can actually connect to the internet. So that's good because with the old scanners, you had to go connect it to a computer, hope that you could get it to connect properly, and then try to upload the software. With this, it can do everything right here from the tool. Okay. And we can upgrade. So we have got a bunch of different updates on here, so we know it is keeping up with the different cars. So as new cars come out, the software updates, we know that this is actually going to keep up with that. And that's one of the nice things about this one is you don't have to pay for updates with it. With a more advanced scanner, they typically make you pay every year. With this one, that is not going to be an issue. So let's go ahead and get these updates and then we'll come back to it. Okay, so we are updated. I do appreciate actually having a physical back button on here because it's not always obvious how to go back whenever you're navigating just through the screen. So I kind of like that. Settings. Units of measurement, we got metric and imperial. So if you want us to be an SAE, we can swap that over to imperial. Screen capture, so we can take pictures of what's on the screen. So if we want to show that to somebody later on, we can do that. Automatic detection on connect. So as soon as you plug this into the car, it's going to automatically start connecting. Display brightness. That's nice. So if you're working out in the sun, you can make that a bit brighter. Sound, network, time zone, language, workshop, recovery, cleanup, and abound. Data. Okay, cool. So whenever we're doing testing on something, we can actually go back and look up that information. DTC library. So if we had a P0400, exhaust gas recirculation flow. So with this, we don't even need to plug the thing in. If somebody says that they got a P0400, we can just look that up and we can see exactly what it was. So that's kind of nice. Reset. So we're not plugged in, so it's not going to see anything. So let's go ahead and plug this guy in. Okay, so it is doing a VIN scan, so that way we don't have to plug in anything. It's going to automatically pick all that up. So normally you have to go and you have to plug in the make, the model, and the year. With this, it just does it for you. Okay, so we do have a diagnosis on here. So check the analog braking system, the gear shift module, powertrain control module, and restraint control module. And it says everything is reporting normally. Let's do an IM readiness check. So this is basically going to check to see if there's any problem where we can't go in and get a smog. I also appreciate it shows us the battery voltage of the vehicle right there at the top so that we know that our vehicle has a good charge. And it says that we got 0 DTC, so if I wanted to, I could take this car to go get smogged. Let's go to OBD2. So it tells us the mill status is off, so that's just a check engine light. We don't have anything on there. And let's go to all protocol scan. And it does so we have a match on the OBD2 ISO CAN bus protocol. We got battery voltage, and we can see it is maintaining steady right there on the 14. And reset. So with this we can do brake reset, oil reset, SAS reset, battery reset, bleeding, electronic throttle relearn, and DPF regeneration. So that's something you definitely cannot do with a standard OBD2 reader. If you like doing DIY work on your car, having the capacity to actually do those resets is very handy. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice scanner.